Hey guys, today you'll see my bag. I got stuff in it, so I'm going to show you the front. Don't hurt you. And now I'll show you what's inside. So let's move this away. You see what's inside. So let's get it out. I don't know what's in here. I'll get it out. I'm sorry, it's kind of cute. Here's a present for you. Open it, friend. Cards! Yay! I got cards. Here's the present.
Even how we got scared, who's here?
I'm sorry. SpongeBob. Okay. Let's put that up there. And I got this pink paper. You can look what it says. Let's see. See? It's pink paper. You can read it when you send it to your videos. Let's put that up there. And I made this, but I didn't color it yet, but I still need to. And then I'll get a badge. But I don't know if I have a badge. So, I'm sorry. My bag likes to do that. Okay. Okay, I already got a patch. See? I got patches. See? I got all these patches.
Okay, girls. 15 minutes to be outside. Stop with the iPads. And TV.
Okay? You see that?
Come here, princess.
We got this one.
Julian.
Wait,
very
Mother.
Nice. Turn it on.
Wait, I want to take a video of all my stuff.
After you're dressed.
No, it'll take forever.
I'm going to have to talk to your dad then. He's going to be upset.
And I made this. And just a second.
No, Sean.
And I got all of these stuffs. Well, let me put it back in. Ugh. Oh, this is there. Ugh. See, look at the back. I like the back. And, oh yeah, I want you to see this.
Wait.
I made these.
I'm going to tell your dad. I bet she won't get dressed for me.
Get dressed. You have to go to school.
Oh,
She's recording her stuff. I told her she can do it after school.
yeah.
Come on.
This, I made this.
Oh, where be? Why are you doing this now?
And this. And this. And this. And this. My sister is over there, and she's not all dressed. She does need to put her shirt on. Okay, put this